Braces for kids, sobrang aga ba? Maraming parents ang nagtatanong, Dok, okay lang ba na magpa-brace ang anak ko kahit 9 years old pa lamang? Actually, yes, there is something called interceptive orthodontics. Dito, hindi agad full braces ang nilalagay. Minsan, appliance lang, o retainer to guide the jaw, and tooth eruption. Kapag naagapan ng crowding, crossbite, or overbite, habang bata pa, mas mabilis at mas mura at mas effective ang resulta. Hindi ito tungkol sa pangit tignan. It's about function, speech, and proper development. Kaya, kung may early signs, pa-check na agad. Prevention is always better, even sa braces. Early signs, early action, schedule your child's orthodontic screening at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab today.